Whoa!
Oh, goodness. You got it? You need some help? Can you get it? Pull it hard. Oh, good girl. You being a helper?
Okay, let's trade. Trade. Oh, thank you. Here. Want this one?
You gonna spray? Be careful, that's right. Can you get it? You washing the car?
No. Okay, spray it off. Spray the car.
You need some help? You can do it. There you go.
Daddy.
Good job. You spraying it for Daddy? Whoop. Fell down.
Uh-oh.